Hey guys, I gotta talk to you for a second. So, today is Nari's birthday. Yeah. And I kind of told her that it was gonna be a busy day and we wouldn't be able to do anything special. But we have planned something special. We're gonna go to a little town about an hour from Manuel Antonio that is famous for whale watching. It's gonna be great. But it's a total surprise. Nari doesn't know yet, so.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I'm trusting you guys. How do you say it in Korean?
생일 축하합니다.
생일
축하합니다.
합니다.
사랑하는 노라리.
Happy birthday to you. Okay guys, see you on the road. But first, coffee. Is there a name for this? Is there a name for this?
Ese es bolsa.
Bolsa.
Sí.
Café bolsa.
Café chorreado.
Café chorreado.
Café chorreado is the name.
Ah. Muy bien. Palm trees. This is where they used to grow the bananas. Okay, we're almost there. Check out these potholes.
No, baby. Don't do that. I'm not gonna.
There's no traffic. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
Hope you have good wheels. Super bumpy road to get there. And the road just ended. Okay. I think we gotta go back to that last place. Oh, does it say go to the right? Or go straight?
There.
Wow. That is a big puddle. Yeah, that's not happening. I wish it were, but we do not have a 4x4. That is not happening. So yeah, I guess the lesson is don't follow Google Maps all the way to the beach. Especially if it's the wet season. So we're a bit lost, but we found this hippie, hostel, chill out place. And we're about to go ask them how to get where we're going. And I figure this is a good time to finally tell Nari where we're going. Do you want to know why we're here?
Yeah.
We are going whale watching.
Really? How?
Because this is the time when there's tons of whales that you can see from Uvita Beach.
Oh, from the beach? That's crazy.
So if we're lucky, we're going to see some whales. The name Richard on it is like right here. There it is. Very sure. Yeah, so we were trying to get to the beach. We heard there was like some whale watching and stuff down here.
Right?
Okay.
This is the Flutterby. So you can either go to the corner and make a right and you get to the beach. See?
Easy.
However, this is a secondary park entrance. If you want the main one, just go back to the paved road, make a left, and then get to the main entrance. Okay? Now the thing is that the park closes at 4 p.m. Okay? And to watch whales from the beach, you'd have to be really, really, really lucky. Okay? And right now it's 2:30, which means that low tide just kicked down. Which means that there's a lot of beach still to go. Alright, so you guys can walk approximately like 800 yards into the water and it's still like pure sand. Alright? Definitely. You will get lost, I promise you that. Because this is a national park, there are no signs, there are no lights, there are nothing. So your reference is the tallest tree you can find. Okay? You get yourself into the water a little bit, and then you look for the tallest tree. All the palm trees are the same height. There's a rainbow eucalyptus that is particularly taller. You know that feeling of being particularly taller than everyone.
Yeah.
Me too, don't worry, me too.
What's he talking about?
I don't know. I mean,
What's he talking
about? Anyways.
Thank you.
It's before 4 p.m. But hey, let's have a tequila for your birthday. On the house.
Yeah? Oh! We haven't seen whales, but we're about to see the best next thing.
3 of those and you'll see whales, I promise.
Yeah.
There
To
you
the
go.
Flutterby!
To your birthday as well.
And to Nari.
Thank you.
Salud. There you go. That's what birthday tequila tastes like.
Flutterby House. 2 thumbs up.
I got my free tequila.
By the way, another nice guy back there. He said it was about like $6 or $7 to get into here because technically this is a national park that we just entered into. But he said we could look for a few minutes for free because, you know, it's already getting late in the day. I was gonna tell him it's Nari's birthday, but I didn't even have to say that. He let us in for free, so.
Thank you, Costa Rica. Wow.
Look at this beach. Now I don't think there's any more reason to talk. I'm just gonna let this beach do the talking. This is incredible. Well, I don't think we're gonna see any whales, but it's still pretty magical to have a place like this all to ourselves. This beach is awesome. I wish we could just chill here for a while. I mean, we could, but yeah, someone at the Flutterby, when we fluttered by the Flutterby, they told us about this waterfall that's not too far away. And they recommended we check it out, so I think that's gonna be our next stop. Sound like a plan?
Oh, yeah.
Hey. So we totally forgot the name of the waterfall that the guy recommended, or the girl recommended. So we just typed in waterfall and it gave us the place. Thank you, Google Maps.
We're going to that waterfall. I don't know if it's big or small, but yeah, the guy from the hostel. What's his name? Brian? Yeah, he recommended us to go there. Oh my God. This road is crazy. Oh, I don't know if I should believe that. Then.
Pura vida. Time to change into my bathing suit. Let's go. So this time we did have to pay 1,000 colones each, which is just under $2 US each. But I can already hear it, and I can tell this is gonna be a cool waterfall. Huh. Hey? Hey guys, did I mention that it's the rainy season? Just as I put my toes in, it started to rain really hard. We're not going home, but I gotta put my cameras away. I don't have a GoPro this time. But while we enjoy this, I wanna give you guys one good look at the waterfall. Check this out. So I always say that I prefer places that are busy. Right. Height difference. Anyway, yeah, I always say that I prefer places that aren't that busy. And I think today was a bit of a, yeah, getting a taste of my own medicine. No, what's the expression? Be careful what you wish for. That's the one. Because we had a place that was all to ourselves.
Yeah.
There was one other couple who showed up like a minute after us, and then it started to rain and they left. But we stayed. And how was it?
It was awesome. Yeah. Waterfall for us.
I wish I could have had more footage for you guys, but honestly, I would have wrecked my camera if I tried to. But
I'm glad you didn't do.
yeah, you got to take our advice. Like, this place is definitely worth the trip. Wouldn't you think so?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Just if it's the rainy season, come earlier in the day because we waited till 4 o'clock and, you know, it rained.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Let's get some food. Okay, everyone. As always, I'm Dan from The New Travel.
See you on the road.
See you on the road.
See you on the road.
Happy birthday, Nari.
Thank you. The birthday again.
Any words of wisdom?
Eat dinner before 6 in Costa Rica.
See ya. Looks sexy.
Where's the cloud? Should I?
You okay? What happened? What happened?